Hi, I'm Johan. Welcome to my channel. I built this rocket stove about a year ago and it works great, but you constantly have to feed it small sticks, so you have to babysit it all the time. So I'm going to try with pellets. So I built this one. Hopefully it goes well. There's constant burning all the time, so I just have to check it and fill it up with pellet. I also made this one a bit longer so it's easier to clean. So let's try it out.
I know it's built well out of the thing, and put that in the machine, since that's going to be the card that's going to see most of this. Not right now. I don't want to put any pins back on until I can check with the door strip, so right now my task is to just clean up the upper, and then that way tomorrow morning I'll be ready to just go right back on and get fixed up.
Of the west curtain all the way down almost to the cliff, which looks over the soil.
The 200-foot-long barracks was built to house full-time members of the local militia. These home guards, like a 19th century territory, ready to defend.
And in fact, some people played chess through the wall. They were in this together, whether they were socialists, whether they were Quakers, whether they were Methodists. They stood by each other and stood by their beliefs.
The messages left on the cell walls are an important link to this moment in British history. Megan and her team are committed to preserving them, which is more than said for our poor old
diameter, with a possible entrance at the north, and it also looks like we've got some responses that could be magnetic paths and things like that. Yeah. So it looks like a habitation really.
For the next number of days, actually, in reality, I kept thinking someone was going to slap me in the face and wake me up from a dream and say none of it happened. Then probably the one thing that you can't really get a proper sense of is the scale of it. Measures are about 500%.
500%
500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%. 500%.
Wade? Is going to go probably in the 8-second range.
Then you start with this half round file. It's got a slight round on one side, flat on the other side. That's going to get both the edges. I use the flat side for obviously going like around this way and around.
So let's try it out. Well, it's not rocketing like it used to on wood, but I'm pretty happy. Maybe the pellets are a bit wet, but it works fine. And for this area, it's hot enough. Cheers.